Yo, let's get this running. Do, do, do. Alright. Finally got rid of them lines in the charts. That's pretty good. It's gonna be looking a lot cleaner now. Let's get this all done. Nice. Morning, morning. Well done. Welcome. Wow, yesterday we had a lot of trades. I smashed out some trades. What a squad. We are back for Thursday live stream. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Actually, let me just change the thing. Because it's not the 8th anymore. Whatever it's called. Let's have a look over here. It's the 9th. Okay. Wow, 7 likes already, guys. Welcome. We're going to be breaking down GJGA and gold right now. How did you remove the background lines? Oh yeah, someone told. I had a look around. Where was it? Where the fuck was it actually? Is it on here? Settings. Yeah, here. Appearance, and then these vertical lines are just put to 0. Like opacity 0. Looks a lot cleaner, so that's good. So let's get into it. Just wait until we fill up a bit more. Let's just move this. But yeah, I caught some decent gold sells. Yeah, kind of confused to GG. Yeah, so we'll have a look. So let's look at the daily time frame over here. Let's zoom in. Right, so we can see our daily is bearish. The one yesterday was also bearish. So looks like we are rejecting them highs over here. Let's keep this yellow. 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, 4-hour time frame is actually closed below resistance over here, below support. If we do get a wick and exceed and flip this candle, this would be quite interesting. So we've got a 4-hour flip over here. So if you do start flipping, you can kind of see where we'll end up. So if we do flip this candle over here, it's going to come down to this next support down here. Nice. I think everything's all right now. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, wicked. So let's go into the low time frames now over here and try and get a bit of more of a picture. Okay. So you can see, yeah, we had that support over here. We've actually had a closure down. I mean, we have actually just exceeded the hourly high, which is a bit annoying. But you can see we do have a support right at this area. And we have a certain resistance at this area. Let's just put that up a bit more near, like here now. So for me, let's have a look down. Let's have a look at 30 minute. Yeah, you can see we can have some resistance at this point. If we do get closures above 151.680, then we could actually start riding this up, and it will flip the daily candle. Let's have a look at the daily over here. Yeah. So I kind of want buys above the zone over here. I know obviously we want to keep the that 4-hour and the daily in the same time frame, but if we do get closures above this zone over here, we should continue up. So let's just make this a bit thinner over here. And if we do continue up over here, we're gonna then flip the daily and we're gonna come to the highs over here. Let me just do this. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for buys above 151.670 over here. I'll be happy to get a buys if we get a closure. Buys above 151.670. 660. I normally like keeping the 4 hour and the daily and the correct time frame, but I think if we do get closes above here, we'll be continuing back up. And let's have a look at this zone over here. Yeah, we got 20 pips. Wagwan, wagwan. So yeah, I can be looking for that. And then for sells, for me, let's just actually neaten this up a bit more. For me, these sells are going to be below this zone, 151,440 to continue down to 340, and then actually eventually at 151. So let's just do this over here. This would be first target. But yeah, we just got that 30-minute closure over here, so damn. GJ is not going to be a buy today. Yep, it might not be, but it might be soon as well. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Max. How we doing?
Hello, hello. How you doing? Not too bad, not too bad. Up early again, as usual.
How we doing, man? Up for the London?
Yeah. So today, it's actually, look at this 4 hour over here. Getting this closure. To be honest, if we do flip this candle over here and flip this 4 hour, it's going to be quite nice for sells. So sells is looking pretty good for me. What are you thinking about it, Connor?
Yeah, I'm thinking sells are looking good on GJ. I'm seeing support at like 151,620. I'm thinking if we can turn that resistance, we can come down to test lows again at like 151,480 on GJ.
Yeah.
But we'd have to get nice resistance forming. It depends where the candle closes, because obviously if the candle closes too low, there won't be enough range. There's not that much range as there is, so might just have to see what happens.
Yeah, it's very true. So if you look, yeah, it's a sticky one today. So even though we have exceeded the high of the previous hourly already, we did get the closure below this zone over here. So what I'm looking at is this zone. So in 28 minutes time where this candle closes, if we do stop pulling back down over here and maybe get a closure like this, next candle makes a top wick and then we just start exceeding. These little wicks are fine, it's like 10 pips, so yeah, it kind of depends where this hourly is going to close, I feel. But yeah, GJ over here, I'm going to have buys above this zone, 660, even more so 151,900, but we'll wait until we get there. Let's look at some more charts over here. So let's just say, so look at the sells below 151,450. What are you saying about gold today? We'll have a look in a second. Yeah, so I hope you guys like the chart a bit more. I've got rid of those lines. I think it looks a bit cleaner now. Literally, I knew there was something up with my chart and I didn't know what it was, and someone told me. I was like, oh shit. Gold, I took this absolute monster trade on gold, which I wish I fucking held more, but yeah, I got in pretty early actually. I got in on like the third bearish candle here. So 130, as I said again, I've been saying it for the past 3 weeks. At 130, then the volume comes in. I actually wanted to get in here, but I missed the move because there's no top wick. But then this one made the top wick and then flew. And then at 2 o'clock, where was it? Yeah, 2 o'clock he made his top wick and then started dying. And then I took profits around about this area over here. And then it continued. So I got like 30, 40 pips in gold. So that was nice. But let's just do a full recap. Also, everyone has said, you know, could we get some buys in gold today? And I said no. The reason is because the last day was bearish. This is the reason why. If there's a massive daily candle bearish, the probability that it's going to be a little tiny bullish is just not there. Like, look at them. Big bullish, big bearish candles. They just make more bearish candles. So let's have a look over here. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. Let's bash that today. Tomorrow, unfortunately, I can't stream because I'm going down south with my mates. But we'll be back on Monday. I've got a video as well for tomorrow. I'll post. That'll be pretty good for. It's actually for new traders to give you a bit of help. So let's look over here. We had some more bearish structure over here at this point. So 1787. It looks like the support. So let's just go down the lower time frames over here. Yeah, so you can see that we did have support held at 1786 over here. If we do get some breaks below, we're going to be filling up these candles and filling up this wick over here, which is 40 pips. So that'll be pretty cool. Let's get the 30. Yeah, as you can see, if we do flip this 4 hour, the 4 hour is nice. Wow, okay. So can you see this 4 hours? We hit this top wick. So if we do flip over here, we've got some nice wicks to fill. So for me, I'm going to be waiting for a closure, which looks like something like this. So this candle can come up, and then like that. Next one makes a top wick, and then something like that. So sells are going to be pretty nice for me, to be honest. So I'm going to be looking for sells. Oh shit, not there. Sells below. Sells. 178. 6.86. I'll see right here. But let it do its own thing. This is kind of no trade range here, and for me, I'm still not looking for buys, to be honest, unless we get a strong 4-hour bullish candle close, like probably above this zone, 1792. I don't even care about buys. Hell no. So yeah, that's golden. There's quite an easy analysis here. Just waiting for some sells below here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So yeah, I hope that the kind of the chart looks a bit better at the moment, which should be good. But yeah, guys, make sure you give it a like and a follow. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers. We're finally gonna hit it after like 3 weeks. So let's have a look at GBP AUD, because I am paper trading this at the moment. Wow, look at that spike! Holy shit. So this is the daily time frame over here. So the daily is bullish. Been making quite a lot of bullish progress over here. The 4 hour is bearish at this point. Ooh, wow, look at this. It's on 4 hour. If you look at this, it's on 4 hour resistance. So you can see at this point. Wow, amazing. So if you do get closes above 1.87111, it's going to be pretty decent to come and retest these highs over here and continue on. Are you currently trading with a funded account? Nope, I'm just trading on IC markets at the moment. But sometimes I hop on with funded talent. I kind of just do it for like videos and shit now, because I've got the capital that it gave me for like 7 months, so I don't really need it anymore. So yeah, I mean, we did it get a closure on the 30-minute over here? No, it didn't. Can you see? Look, so this is the resistance, and this one didn't really close above. So mad. So I'm going to be looking for buys, and this will be the 4 hour resistance breaking, which will be horrendously amazing. If you do get buys above this zone over here, we are going to be flying. I'll just move this 4 hour. Oh, that's good. Okay. We're going to be coming up to the next 4 hour, which is above here at this point. So let's have a look at this range. Yeah, 30 pip range. So we're looking good for that. So someone says GJ is moving. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to have to wait for this hourly close though, because there's no bottom wick. So on the hourly, which is rather annoying. Let's have a look at this. How long have we got left? Yeah, we got 21 minutes. I don't like how the hourly didn't have a bottom wick. Is that the same with my MetaTrader here? Yeah, fuck that. So you can see here, guys, the hourly didn't have a bottom wick. It's got 21 minutes left. You know, the potential that it could make a bottom wick is quite high. So for me, may stay out. I'll see if we get a closure above here, but I don't like how that hourly hasn't made a bottom wick at that point. Well, 39 views already for 7:38 in the morning. Damn. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, I think there's too many variables in me that are against me if I do get into a buy at this point. For example, there's no bottom wick on the hourly, and the daily is still bearish. So if I had maybe just one of them, I would do it. But yeah, the bottom wick has put me off over here. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so if you do exceed the high, then that's fine. But at the moment, we haven't exceeded the high, the 4 hour. Therefore, the sell is actually still valid. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting at this point. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so. We're going to be getting some nice trades today. But yeah, yesterday was a fire day. I think I made like 4% or some shit. It was pretty good. So yeah, being patient with stuff like this is fine. Let's have a look at gold over here. Ooh. Why are these charts taking so long to load, man? Come on, be quicker. 1 second. So yeah, gold is going to be pretty nice. But yeah, as I said again, you know, 130 is the time where it moves. We need to be taking these moves, and that's why I was in it. I saw this hourly candle over here push all the way up and then close back here. I was like, oh my god, this is going to rinse. And then it flew. Kind of the same thing over here. Ooh, we had a new subscriber today. Tolly YXX, thank you for subscribing to the channel. You have been automatically entered into the giveaway. Yeah, look here, 230. Oh, to be fair, 130 didn't really have much volume over here. Damn, look at this. So 130 closed bearish, but if I'd been waiting for the top wick to then fly down. I finally got the move at 230. So there's a bit of a stutter there. Wagwan. Gold move internal, then boom up. Yeah, we'll have to wait for gold over here. Yo, even I subscribed. Where's my call out? Bro, I didn't, what, today? You subscribed today? No sir, I don't think you did. It would have given me a buzz, man. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, get these likes up, guys. Let's get these likes up. Let's get to the 35 likes already before 8 o'clock open, where we can get some gold trades, we can get some GJ trades. Oh, so look at this, we are rejecting the highs over here. Look at the 5 minute. Ooh. So yeah, preferably for me, I'm gonna have some closes 1786. Just now I did, because other London streamers boring. Oh god. Hello everyone. Amazing. So let's have a look at the Discord over here. Let's see if there's any fun shit on here. Let's go. Yeah, that was kind of my little niche. I was like, you know, I can make this a bit funner. Like when I'm in trade, I make it a bit fun and shit. Got no charge for the stream today. Ooh, nice. Someone's in a 5 minute trade over here. Decent. How are we filling up over here? Damn. Oh, this bot is pissing me off. It keeps on doing this. It keeps on fucking every time at 9:30 at night. It always fucking says I'm streaming, which I'm not. It's done it every day. I don't know why. Wow, 224 members, guys. So if you're not in the stream already, not in the Discord already, make sure you join. We got another subscriber. Welcome, Maris Daff. Thank you for subscribing. You've been entered in the Magic Keys giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, still waiting on GJ to kind of present itself here. I wanted to see this hourly close in 17 minutes time. Let's have a look over here. And I've finally got my mug. I finally bought a fucking heated thing for it, because like this every single time it just gets fucking cold. Oh mate, that's fire. Do people like in different countries drink coffee and shit? Like, is it like a UK thing, or like people in America like drink that shit? Like Connor, do you drink coffee and tea?
I used to drink loads of it, but not anymore. I don't know. It makes my gut feel horrible.
Really?
Yeah.
To be fair, I've got like the fucking shits after, but nah, in the morning, like.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
But like in the morning, how do you like in the morning? How do you wake up though? I'm like, oh, bro, I need to run and get a fucking coffee.
Oh man, I don't even know. I just sort of lay there for 5 minutes and then just think, right, if I don't get out of bed, then I'm not gonna do out. And then I just get the will to roll out.
Yeah, that's fair.
On GJ now, I kind of think if this 15-minute closes how it is, and the next 15-minute can close bearish engulfing this 15-minute candle, then we'll get a 30-minute resistance forming. We could sell it back down to the lows.
Yeah.
Potential continuation.
I
So that's
thought.
what I'm looking for. That's what I'm visualizing.
Yeah, it's a good point. Yeah, if we reject these highs over here, we don't get a close above, and the next one probably does this. Yeah, or maybe even more to be honest. Like yeah, like something like this. Next one makes a
Yeah, then
top
we'd have a
wick.
nice.
And yeah, let's have a look at. Is this like a big range and shit? Yeah, 10 pips and a
Not the
continuation.
biggest, but I mean, with the London Open volume, I would kind of potentially anticipate 480 breaking so that we could get
Yeah,
continuation down to 350-ish, I'd say.
yeah. No, I was thinking,
350,
yeah,
370 area.
yeah. We drink. Oh, see, it's down 3.8% on my account, man. I'm having a rough month. 3.8% is not bad, bro. Trust me. You should have seen some of my months when I was younger. Fucking down 98% or some shit. 3.8% was good shit. That's fine. You're learning, man. So what are the reasons for this? Is this you're taking too many trades? Um, you're not catching the big moves. Like try and think. Tell me why do you think it's happened, Max? What do you think about resistance being formed on GG and then we look for sales? Yes, that's what we're just talking about. That's what we're kind of waiting for over here. See, so this 50-minute candle didn't close above, so there's no buys over here. Now we need to see in the next 50 minutes where this candle will close at that point, and then 8 o'clock we could take some sells or whatever buys. I mean, it's kind of just been fluid. I mean, we could potentially, if this comes down here and then closes strongly above like this, then we could look for buys as well, really, to then flip the daily and then continue up. So there's lots of ways we can get in at this point. We just need to be patient. We drink Turkish coffee. Ooh, wow, what does that do? Holy shit. Turkish. Yeah, I like tea, but like tea sometimes it's like it just a bit weak for me. I'm like, oh, bro, I need some rocket fuel. Dry scoop of pre-workout does the trick. I fucking hate pre-workout. Oh, it's rough. Actually, no, it's not really pre-workout. It's drinking creatine and drinking fucking what's it called? Just protein shakes. Oh, with water. Ugh, fucking disgusting. I'm looking for the same idea. This area is also on an order block. Ooh, an order block. Did you watch the England game? No, I didn't actually. I was too busy playing human Fall Guys with my friends and some CS:GO. I drink pure black coffee with no sugar, 2 cups a day, and ice cold shower. Holy shit. That's a mental capacity there. To be fair, I do have cold showers though. Cold showers are so underrated. They're fire. Black coffee feels like I'm literally like fucking drinking like gravel. It's just oh. Wait, William, don't delete that. That made sense. Yeah, black coffee. Fuck that. I like a bit of milk in it. I don't know how people drink it without sugar though. I like it with sugar. I can't phase not having sugar, man. Ooh, holy shit! Look at this 4 hour. Right, let me start recording over here. You know shit's about to go down when we start recording. So look at this. The 4 hour hasn't exceeded high. We made the top wick over here. If we do start exceeding and flipping the lows over here. Why is it taking so long to do these to load these charts, man? It's pissing me off. Ooh, look at this. Oof, this is gonna be tasty. Tasty. Grey screen. What the fuck? Is the screen now? It's good. Oh, is it glitching? Let me take my Wi-Fi off and shit. Let's go get my iPad one sec. Is it still glitching now? I'll take a look on YouTube's. Can you still see me now, guys? Someone tell me in the chat. Yeah, you can see. Fine. What are you guys on about? So yeah, we wait for closure over here for gold. Gold's gonna be pretty decent at this point. And yeah, GG. I'm just gonna be waiting for this candle closure. Mate, 22 likes before 8. We need to bash these likes, guys. Let's smash them like buttons. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like it. Helps me out, gain a new audience. And then when you grow, you guys can all say, "Oh shit, we were the OG boys here." When there's like 300 people here, but like, yeah, we were the first like 50 people. Yeah, 10 minutes time we're gonna see. Yeah, I didn't watch the England match. I'm surprised. Kane's goal was pretty good, to be fair. But I was watching. Who's that guy called? I think he plays for Norway. Haaland. He's sick. Like, I rate him a lot. Connor, do you watch football?
I couldn't care less of football, to be honest.
What are your interests? What are your like hobbies and shit?
Golf and going out with my mates, cars, and that's about it. Golf and cars.
Oh, you like cars?
I don't actually have a car. Yeah, I don't actually have a car. I just get in all my friends on a car slag.
Jeez. Oh, I like cars, to be fair. That's a shout. Golf, you like golf? I just don't think I'm built for it. I think I want to try it soon, but like I don't know. I'll just.
And now you're living in Leeds. You could come play golf with us sometime.
In it, like if you, well, I don't live in Leeds. My last does, but I could definitely pop down. I think I'm moving to Manny.
Yeah, staying in Leeds.
Yeah, I stay in Leeds a lot. But yeah, like I just don't know. Like, what if you're really bad, and then like there's people like behind you, like hurry the fuck up, like we've been on this hole for ages. Like that just scares me. Like.
Yeah, if that happens, you just let people play through.
Yeah, just go. Sorry, we're fucking shit. Can you move?
Yeah, sorry, we're not the best. I mean, I'm not amazing. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Holland would have been the best signing for Prem. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't get him up. He's young. Like every time he's on goal, like he's aggressive, man. Like, he's fucking huge as well. Yeah, I would have took him any day. I don't know why Manchester City bought Grealish. I like him, but I just don't rate him. I think he's alright, but I wouldn't pay 100 mil for him. I would have got Haaland me. So 8 minutes time, not too long, guys. Until we get some close over here, it's gonna be looking pretty good. Oh, I'm liking these charts now. Like it's just so much cleaner. Ooh, gold. Where do you own place the 4-hour flip horizontal line? Yes, sir. We're gonna be flipping it. Look at this. Look at this. We're gonna be flipping it right now. And we are gonna be continuing filling all these wicks over here. So preferably, I want to close it right at this point. 1786.9 to then drive it down. So we'll see if you can get that at this point. Before we get 8 o'clock, let's bash that like button. We're gonna hit like 900 subscribers soon. Maybe the end of the week. We'll have to see. 900 subscribers though. This in the past 28 days, I've gained 400 subscribers. That's pretty good. Where do you? All right, where do you? Yeah, he is a pretty beast. He is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. He is pretty fire. GBP AUD still waiting for closes above. And yeah, we're doing well. So, oh shit, we haven't actually looked at the news. Holy crap. I'm pretty sure I said yesterday there was no news. Yeah, so you can see here, guys, there is no news. No news at all. We're all good. Euro, USD, CAD. Yeah, we're all good. All good for news. Let's have a look tomorrow. Unemployment rate for CAD, PPI core, PPI. So yeah, some news on tomorrow, but shouldn't be too bad for the way we trade at the moment. So yeah, for GBP AUD, I'm just waiting for the closure back up. But it looks like we're closing, rejecting those highs over here. So it may take a bit longer for them buys at this point. But yeah, my main focus is going to be GJ here. And gold, to be honest. Gold's looking pretty good, so I'm just keeping an eye on gold at this point. Yes. If we fill up this wick over here, that's like 50 pips. Oof. Oh my god. So 5 minutes left. Let's see if we get this closure. 64 viewers, guys. Amazing stuff. How did you guys find my YouTube though, guys? Did you just come from Instagram? Also, charge to the stream. People are not people are busy today. Very very quiet Thursdays. Do do do. It's 5 minutes time. Ooh, let's see what we can get. 10 pips daily sent me here. Nice. Let's get the plug. Wait, so what kind of cars are you into then, Connor?
Literally anything really. I mean,
Yeah.
my favorite back in the day, and sort of still, I used to love VXRs like the Z-let engine. The Z-let engine I think is really cool.
Yeah.
But most of my mates these days have like 135s, 235s.
Yeah.
Yeah, BMW stuff
Good
like that. One of
Beamers.
my mates has got an RS3, that kind of stuff.
Oh, nice RS3. That'd be pretty sick.
Yeah, my mate who's actually watching this stream now, he's got a 235i that's like 400 horse. It's pretty cool to be fair.
Wow. Pretty decent. No, I do like them kind of cars. I love a good I love a good Beamer. Like, I actually like
Yeah,
I
and
like the new look of the 1 Series. Actually, I think they're pretty cool.
yeah, I don't know. I think I prefer the older
The
shape,
older
to be honest.
ones.
Like they're still not the oldest, the sort of like Mark II that came out, if you would.
Yeah. Yeah, I do like Beamers. I do rate them. I don't rate these new Mercs. Me, I think they're fucking shit.
What's your kind of car then? What's your interest?
Oh, I like these supercars. I've been born and bred with them with my dad, so I'm interested in all them bad lads, Lambos, Ferraris.
Yeah, I've seen them old school ones before on your story. They're pretty cool then.
Yeah, it's pretty sick. When we go to like Geneva every year, like Geneva Motor Show, my dad met a lot of people on the Lambo tour who are like fucking proper bitty big bonnet wealthy, and like they have some
Yeah,
cars like. I'll show you one of my dad's mates in a sec on Instagram. God damn, he's got every car on the planet. Like, as in like he goes to like a track every single weekend, and like he normally races. He's got Michael Schumacher. Oh no, it's got Massa's 2009 F1 car. So he flies around in that. He's got like
How the other
LaFerrari.
half live, eh?
I know. He was a hedge fund owner as well, so I was like, shit, this is what I'm gonna get into. Fuck. I was like, get me a job, bro.
Yeah, a little bit of motivation there.
Yeah. But he was like all over the world. He speaks like he's from Sweden, I think it was. He can speak Chinese, speak English. Like he did all like the business in like Hong Kong and shit. So he was like, yeah.
Has he?
Oh, look at this guy, mate. Your English guys is really different, yeah, but English is probably like, so in England we probably have the most diverse amount of accents, like like there's so many. Like if you put everyone with different accents in a room in England, it would be fucking ram. Like there's just so many accents. You're proper like Yorkshire. I love Yorkshire.
Yeah, Yorkshire man.
Thing is, like,
I'm looking at
you're
that
like,
thing, I couldn't
you're
even
like
tell.
Yorkshire, but then I've heard of Yorkshire. I've been to fucking Barnsley. Holy shit, Barnsley. And I'm from. Let's go to pub. Like they're proper like Barnsley.
Nah,
I
there's
can't
some
like.
places where it sticks out like a sore thumb.
I love the Yorkshire accent. Like I was saying to my lass before. I was like, so like crackheads like in like Newcastle are proper like Raj like, oh you man, you fucking dafty like. But then I go to Leeds and I just hear them and they just sound so cute because they're just fucking Yorkshire.
Cute man.
Like I'm like, who's that? Like it's not they're
I'll
not
take
really like
that as a
shouting, but like
compliment.
yeah, I think the accent's just well fun. I
Oh,
love
2
it.
minutes till the close now with this candle on GG. I don't really like how far it's pushing down, to be honest with you.
I'm alright actually. Wait, so if we do get this closure over here, as long as we get a top wick up, I mean, I kind of want it to close below 151540 to be honest. If we do, like, let's look at the hourly over here. Yeah, we're getting the 30-minute closure though. Rejecting those highs over here.
Yeah, I mean, as long as the next candle wicks up, doesn't break the high and comes back down, that gives us an opportunity to manage risk.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
I mean, it's just with the amount of range to the next area. I mean, I'm looking at like 8, 9 pips. I can't really squeeze 10 out.
Yeah, thing is though, with the volume here, we do flip this 4 hour and we do exceed these
Yeah.
wicks at this point. Like here, I can have like break even and whatever. I don't really care, but I think with the volume, we can start pushing back in these zones. That's what I quite like about it.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good thing. You can always anticipate volume to maybe like break a support at least one or a resistance and continue pushing to the next area.
Yeah. Um, is is that 10 pips daily on your stream? Yes, sir.
Come on out here.
Yeah. A lot of the boys know that. Can you break down J30? Yeah, I'll do J30 in a sec. Man said Raj. Controller effects. Yeah, controller effects is my boy. GJ looking good for sales. Hi man, which session do you think easy to trade and you got most profit out of it? NY or London? Oh, it's a hard one because I think for me at the moment, GJ on NY has been slow and I shit you not, this past 3 weeks I've hit fucking 9 pip trades and then to break evens every day. I mean it's so annoying. Happened yesterday, happened the day before. Like it really just tests your discipline. Oh, make a bigger wick than that, mate. Come on. There we go. Okay. So yeah, let's have a look over here. GJ, what the fuck's my IC markets doing? Why is it even on? What the fuck? Why is my IC markets just? Oh, it just froze. Oh, I would have been in that, you twat. Wait, wick back up, please. Wait, let's have a look over here. Let's have a look. Yeah, I was gonna get into this motherfucker. I was gonna put a sell stop behind it, but my actual thing froze. What the fuck is happening? I'm so confused. What the hell is going on? I am so confused with what my terminal's doing right now. Holy shit. Not that. That's not fun and talent. Where's the fucking IC markets one? Anyway, right. So price is coming down now. I'm very pissed off because I would have been balls deep in this, but my fucking MetaTrader is pissing me off. What the fuck? Let me try and log in this bitch again. You in the break of the low? Yeah, I think it'd be should be good there at this moment. So look at the hourly. If you do exceed the hourly, that'll be quite good as well. Safer is just waiting for this 50 minutes to close, to be honest, but I would have been probably in this. So let's have a look at the stop. What would the stop be? Yeah, it's gonna be 12 pips. Expect with volume to come down. So let me just sort out this pretty fucking fun and talent thing. Not fun and talent, the fucking IC markets. Holy shit. Your fun and talent's not working. Yeah, but mine's IC markets. I think it's the liquidity problem. Shit. I wonder why. I'll load that up in a second. Try again. But anyway, let's just focus on the charts at this point. So yeah. If you look at this now. Look at the 4 hours flipping at this point. This is really good entries, I think. So for people in this, yeah. So 11 pip gain, 20 pips. Are these wicks over here? So if you got in at this point, about 8 pips over here, 7 pips. I would put your stop loss to break even, just because we have wicks to the left over here. Can you see? Wicks. So these are good places to put your stop loss to break even. But you expect with volume in London to stop pushing it, and you don't really want this candle to flip now. And here we go, motherfucker! Wow, that's typical, isn't it? This is looking good over here. Oh, let's take a look at gold. Oh, gold pulled back up. So you see this? Let's look at the 30, 15. Yeah, couldn't close below, so I was waiting for this candle to close strong bearish. Couldn't do it. So you need to wait a bit further on for this. GBP AUD is just chilling, and yeah, GJ is gonna look good over here. I do think this 4 hours is gonna continue now. So I'm actually gonna wait for this closure above 450 over here. No connection. Oh I think I'm opening a pretty funded talent fucking MetaTrader. Let me just try the IC markets one then. Where is it? So how much profit did people get into there at this point? Yeah, Yeah, 5 pips. I mean, it is coming up to resistance, which is annoying. So, I mean, for safer, you could just wait for a strong bearish below here. But I think people are still in it. It's still valid because the 4 hours flipping bearish over here. It is just these wicks, though. Can you see? Can you see in the 4 hours as well, these wicks? I really want with volume to exceed these wicks and kind of start pushing it down at this point. But look at this bearish structure. I mean, 30-minute looks nice now. But people who haven't got in yet, I mean, wait for this 15-minute at this point. I think if you look left, do you have any zones before? Yeah, so 440 is only 9 pips away though. That's the issue. It's a hard one. Someone's asking 10 pips, are you in? I don't think you are you? Yeah.
And to be fair, bro, when the candle opened and it sort of went down and then went back up and then came back down again, I just didn't really like it that much, and it didn't look like too much range for me. I
That's
just,
the only
I just stayed out. Yeah.
The range looks pretty. The only issue is the range. So, you know, with volume, you can expect price to get to this zone. But I think safe will be so 440 if we do get closures below here. Yeah, 440 is gonna look nice. So people now who are in this trade at this point, start getting ready to put your stop loss to break even if you've got here. So 560 should be where your entry was. So now I'd put stop loss to break even. It shouldn't come and flip this candle up, and you should be balls deep in profit now. So
yeah, I mean, it's a textbut trade. It
look at that.
Work.
Oh, I'm so annoyed. My fucking trade, fucking meta trade. Can't. I'd have been in that easy. Fucking W's in the chat, boys. It is break that down. Wait for that top wick here and exceed the lows. People who got into that trade. I know some people got into this trade. I'm in after 540 break. Lovely. So now, I mean, yeah, I'd keep your stop loss at break even at this point. Look at these wicks. So we've even taken profit at this point. I mean, you would have got your 10 pips if you got here, just about. So W's in the chat, guys. It's good. It was a nice, quick move. When you get London volume and stuff like that, they come very, very quickly. So nice. Make sure you like the stream, guys. So we put in trades called on GJ. I like that 30-minute closure. It was delicious. GJ sells. But yeah, definitely stop loss at break even. You don't want this candle now or this 50-minute to flip up. So what's the point in holding it? I used to always do that when I was younger. I was like, oh, I'm not going to put it yet. I was like, well, you know, just think about it realistically. Is it worth it? So let's have a look over here. I'm just going to do a little Instagram. So on stream over here, we've been talking about GJ sells. Unfortunately, my broker had a bit of a wobble, so I couldn't enter. But all these people got it. When the 30-minute closed, wait for the top wick and exceeding the low over here, and yeah, smashing it. Stop loss to break even now, so we should be continuing down still because the 4-hour over here is flipped bearish, and we should continue down. Just we've got these wicks, which could be a little issue. Yeah, so there's little wicks here. You just need to. We just do with volume, we need to push above. But this is why, you know, always make sure you have your stop loss to break even when there's wicks, because no matter how much volume you think that will push it, you know, it's a bit of a shame. 9 pips and now reject. that's the story of my life at GJ at NY session this past 2 weeks. Ooh, come back up over here. Look at this 5-minute. Yeah, so make sure you keep your stop loss to break even here, guys. A break even trade's good. I mean, yeah, I just got about 9 pips at this point. all good, guys, all good. Have to see this. That 5-minute pull down though. Damn, holy shit. Take a look at gold over here. Gold's starting to push up. GPAUD looks like it's literally not doing anything. Holy shit. Look at the volume, bro. I just unsubscribed to you. Nice. I'm so annoyed. Amazing. So yeah, it's a shame how you pull back up, but still, people who got in the flip should be still in. Lose stuff. Well, -1 pip. -1 pip? How do you get -1 pip here? Thought that should be break even, boys. Yeah, mine's working now. Well, see, got my stops above the 15-minute candle at 580. Probably get stopped out, but we'll see. Oh, okay. Yeah, so more confirmation is this in 6 minutes time. This 50-minute, and the 30-minute. But for me, I cannot close just below 151,450 would be a bit cleaner for me. I want to get past these wicks. I think if you pass these wicks, it'd be easy. So I guess it's better to trade GJ in London and gold in NY, right? Yeah, that's what I've been kind of realizing at the moment. Yeah, for sure. Broke even. I'll wait for closure below to look for re-entries. Yeah, it's a shame though, but you know, this is really, really good with your discipline. You need to be able to take these pips. I've been doing, I shit you not, the past 2 weeks, I've probably taken about 4 trades where they've hit my break even. Oh, look at this now. 4 trades when they hit my break even after they've just ran 9 pips. I've done that probably about 4 or 5 times. But people getting pissed off will be like, no, and then they'll do revenge trading and stuff, but you can't do that. You can see now we are continuing. You're continuing at this point. So if you do get a closure, I mean, I'm preferably 450. The reason is because we're looking left over here. This is kind of support this zone. So 450 would be a lot easier for me. Yeah, so 450, if you look over here, 450 is the closures. Below this zone, we can get a nice clean range, 10, 11, 12 pips at this point. And it's continued down. I mean, it is getting choppy on this side, but with volume and stuff, we should be good, realistically. Let's have a look at gold over here. The thing is, though, over here, like, from the tops over here to all the way down, it's quite clean. The only issue we do have is these wicks. So let's have a look. So if we do break these lows, thing is, the range that we go into is only just 10 pips, which is fucking annoying. But I mean, if you do get this closure in 4 minutes time below, could be quite nice. It's a hard one, really. So people who actually kept that trade on, yeah, still hasn't held it yet. Look at that 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. It came all the way up and then just legged it down in the last minute. A closure below 417. Yeah, good point. Isn't there hourly in GJ called a celery play, like controller says? Does it exceed the low? Yes, it's a celery play on the hourly. Yeah. And we're leaving the zone over here, so it looks nice in this. It's just looking left. You know, the zones I could see are a bit annoying. I mean, theoretically we could, with volume, get down to these over here. But yeah, we'll have to see at this point. We'll wait for these closures. 37 likes, guys. I need to like the stream. Let's get up to 50 likes over here. People who have actually kept this trade on are going to be hitting 10 pips at this point. Who kept these trades on? I'm pretty sure Jayan kept this trade on. Isn't our GG called the sorry play? Yeah, for gold I'll be looking for a close below 1787. So will I. Yep. 787 400. So about that zone. Yeah, sounds good. The seller replay trade. No, it's called celery. It's the that's funny. Celery is just when the so there'll be a opposing kind of candle. So for this one is bullish candle here. It's when we exceed the low of that candle. So it's a celery play on the hourly, but this could be on the 30-minute, on the 50-minute as well. But yeah, that hasn't happened for any of these. Try to find a celery somewhere. Yeah, celery there. So like this one bearish, this one comes up, and then this one just exceeds the low. Yeah. Holding this trade on a funded trial account. Wow, good stuff. That's good. You can do trial on them. Break even achieved for me yet again. Been 2 days getting break even. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. You can't get annoyed. I can feel your emotions in it. You know. Because the days where you won't get a break even, if you have the emotions, you're gonna lose. But if you actually just keep doing your thing, you start realizing maybe that you're entering too late. You're entering on the break in the lows. Maybe do it on the flip. And it's also just price action. Some weeks are just like that and they're annoying, but you can't do much about it. Look at this candle over here. Nice. It's really, really. Can you see the zone over here? It keeps on tapping the zone, and it's just a bit like. See, look, tapped here, tapped here, tapped here, tapped here. So we need to break 460 really, 470. to continue at this point. 73 viewers, amazing, guys. Make sure to drop a subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and drop a like and all that good stuff. My entry got slipped, so I think it was better getting out at break even. Got slipped? Damn. Yeah, good point. But a break even trade is an amazing trade. I don't know why people get so annoyed about it. Break even trades great. You can learn from break even trades. Would you say it's okay to enter if you get it closed below? Yeah, I think a solid close like here, yeah. But you can see in 29 seconds time we're not getting this closure, and it's really respecting the zone. So for me, you know, I'm gonna be waiting a bit longer. Yeah, this zone over here, I mean, this kind of box is a bit of a pain in the ass. Like here, can you see? These wicks are annoying. As you can see, you know, the movement is not clean. So for me, I'm kind of just a bit put off by GG at this point. Sometimes the comfort levels, if they're not there, it's not too bad. I'm gonna look at German 30 in a sec. But can you see? Look at this 5 minutes over here. It's really respecting these lows at this point. But a solid trade for people who just got in here. Maybe, to be fair, these wick fills were a perfect time to take off some positions at this point. So 1790 over here. Look at gold, starting to push. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. Yeah, it's still chilling. I would not even touch fucking gold buys at this point. There's absolutely no point. I mean, gold buys 1792, but what will happen is we'll wick up and then I'll just go pew again. So fuck that. Would you say it's okay to end Euro GPY? I'll do German 30 now because I'm quite interested in that, because Dr. Dollar likes a bit of that. So let's just see it out. Is it called DAX 30? G30. Wow, look at the 4 hour over here. Ooh, look at that little drop off. 90 pips. This is the shit one. 1 second. German 30, man. If someone tell me what the thing is for this, I don't even know what it's fucking called. And this one's gash. Yeah, so for me, I'm not liking these cells at this point. They're kind of pissing me off. There's lots of wicks to the left. I hate this zone at this point. Can you see? These wicks are annoying as hell. Support at 1540. Yeah, and 25. I think 151 a lot cleaner for cells. Just looks too rough coming down. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 4 hour over here. Yeah, the thing is though, cells are gonna be nice because this 4 hour has closed below resistance, but it's just this kind of zone room right now is fucking annoying. So you say 151. Yeah, breaking these lows over here to then come back down. That would be nice. 50 pips, easy. You can see it is just struggling at this point. 4 hours still bullish. 420 last 4 hours until we broke this level. No sells until we break 420. 420. Yeah, to be fair, what are you thinking about, Connor? Are you not liking this?
I'm not liking this. To be honest with you, I'm probably going to get off because I'm starting work soon anyway, and there's no that's really
Yeah,
lining up for me. So
fair dues, my
I'm
boy.
probably going to head off here, bro.
Fair dues, fair enough. Have a good time at work. I'll see you.
Yeah, man. I will probably not speak tomorrow. You said you want streaming tomorrow, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm not streaming tomorrow, but Monday.
Nice one. So
Monday
back
we'll be
Monday
back.
then, yeah.
For sure, yeah. I'll see
Cool,
you there,
man.
my
I'll
man.
speak to you on Monday then. Take care.
See
Take
you
care,
later, my
people.
boy. See you later, alligator. And yeah, Monday people on the mentorship will be in the Zoom. So on Monday the Zooms will be a lot fuller. There'll be people talking, so that's pretty good. So yeah, mentorship is coming out on Sunday. So if people are interested in that, make sure to be ready on Instagram for me to launch it. I actually filmed one of the videos yesterday. It's actually a fire video. It was about psychology, and I'll show you it. It's pretty good. What up, mentorship group?
welcome back.
Turn my
I hope
voice
this is
down.
I think this is the first video that I'll put in.
So yeah, like a little webinar over here. Basically going through the key concepts of probability, and I use obviously my maths kind of background to basically show you. I'm showing it pretty in length. So for people who don't get probabilities, it's a thing you definitely need to listen to. It's pretty accurate. And yeah, look, this is the kind of the probabilities you go through, and then we go through basically all of kind of the kind of setups of psychology and how you basically master them. And then because this is really go on. So 80% probability strategy with 4 trades a week compared to a 60% probable trade with 10 trades a week. Which one's better? I basically go and show you which one's better, and basically how it all works. So yeah, really good, solid video. So if you're in the mentorship, that'll be there when you join. Hi man, at what time you usually trade NY? Normally about 12 or like half 11. If I'll look at the chart at half 11, see if there's any moves, and if not, I'll start at like 12 or half 12. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, gold's still playing at this point. Ooh, okay. So GBP/AUD really rejected those lows over here. I mean, even this candle, this 30-minute candle closed below. Next one made the top wick over here. So how big is this top wick? 9 pips for a 12 pip gain. So this is me paper trading GBP/AUD just to get used to the pair. So you can see we had support right here. This candle closed below support, made a top wick, start exceeding at this point like here. We have to take some drawdown though, which is a bit annoying. Like here. And then to continue. So see if you can get this at this point. Ooh, looks like we're coming down to the zone. So I've been on this flip probably. So I would have taken some 6 pip drawdown. But I'm up 8 pips. Let's see if we can get to TP at this point. So rejecting them highs over here and getting it closed below. Looks like it's going to work for GBP/AUD. So doing this paper trading every single day, you know, it's going to help you. Trust me. When Raja did trade gold and Ted did, he always paper traded every single day, and now he basically only trades gold. So see how far we can push down at this point. See if we can hit TP right here. Yeah, look at this pull up, bro. I just don't trust these buys, these sells at all. Can you see these wicks? Yeah, you see these wicks over here. So these similar to over here. Look at these wicks. You can start to pull up again, flip the daily, and then start continuing. Because you can see actually what actually is happening is we're coming up over here. We'll make it support, and then we're gonna blast off. So I think at the moment we're actually just making the support to then continue up, and this is the zone over here. So 151, like 450 to 570 is kind of the zone it's making support, and then I'll react off it. We'll get one candle probably today or tomorrow that will either this candle will pull up like this, and the next one will make a little wick, and then we'll finally leave this zone. So that's what I expect price to happen, to be honest. It happens quite a lot. You always do make support. I mean, you can see we've been bullish for quite a long time now. If you look at the weekly as well. So you can see the weekly's got a day left. If we do flip this candle over here, we're still continuing up. So I think that's why it's struggling for these sells. Because the higher time frames are starting to kind of show me a picture of where we're going. Make sure to drop a like, guys, on the stream. Let's get to 50 likes if we can. That would be sick. Wow, we've got 72 viewers in the chat as well. But yeah, I'm still focusing on gold as well. I really kind of want gold to start pushing down over here, but it's still got a long way to go. But yeah, GJ would have been nice for that 15-minute closure. Bearish, then the 8 o'clock makes the top wick and then exceeded. The only issue is that we only would have got 9 pips. Most people got 9 pips. So yeah, we're patient over here. But yeah, for NY, I think a lot of people are asking like which one's better to trade. I think sessions they vary between days and stuff. There's no point in just thinking, you know, you either stick to one or you stick to two or whatever. But you know, don't be worried about, oh no, well, this moves better in this. Like, it changes throughout the year. There's no point trying to guess what it's like. Let's get some water in this bitch. We got any charts for the stream today? No, no, we do not. We do not. Very, very quiet today. Wow, I've got 224 members though. Everyone's coming into the Discord. That's pretty sick. But yeah, I think later on for gold, I think we'll still do sells again. I mean, look at the daily again. Let's make it its top wick. If we do start falling again, oh, tap back this zone 1782. It's gonna be nice. Long-term buys could be good with a 40 pip stop at 151 because it breaks that 151 level. Daily structure will start trending down. Daily trade intraday stop. Yeah, you could do if that's the way you want to set up. That's fine. And where would your take profit be? Where would your take profit be? Look at that wick up though. This 50 minutes gonna have no bottom wick. It should be bullish the whole time. That'd be pretty interesting. So yeah, the thing is with like intraday and all that kind of stuff is, when are you gonna take profits? And you have to be in the trade for so long, and it, you know, I don't care how much. If you get 80 pips, it's the same as me getting a 10 pip trade with a 5 pip stop. It's like I just don't get it. I get it for runners, but I don't get it for the real trades. Still got an hour and 30 left for the 4 hour. So there's a lot of potential to go places. I still like it because we've got the closure below. That's why I like it. But we'll see over here. Ooh. Let's have a look over here. Why is Magic Keys not on this page? Come on, Magic Keys. Where you be, my boy? On screen Magic Keys. So yeah, the giveaway at 1,000 is going to be I think it's going to be handheld. It could be on screen. I might just do a couple on screens or a couple handheld. We'll see. What would you guys prefer? Like 1 or 2 handhelds or like 5 on screen? Because you guys say it in the comments. What would you rather want for the giveaway? Would it be like 5 on screen or what? 5 on screen, it means there's more chance of you winning. You know what I mean. One second over here. I'm trying to fucking piss around with this. Oh, there. Allow. There we go. Okay, we're back in business now. Nice. So I mean, we're gonna get this closure here in 2 minutes time. I kind of want it further down at this point. We'll have to see. But this 4 hours flipping again on screen. It's awesome and can be used. Easy win, for instance, on travels. Very, very true. Are you giving away mentorship as well? No, I'll do Magic Keys, but mentorship giveaway will definitely be soon as well. Do a bit of both. Yeah, so we've got a minute's time. Oh, we've got another subscriber over here. Let's have a look. Thank you, Jed, for subscribing to the channel. We can see we're rejecting these highs again. This is what I'm liking. So in a minute's time, if we get this closure, I'm going to have a 10 pip stop over here. I'm going to go for it, man. I think with the volume, I like the 4 hour. I'm basing off the 4 hour over here with 30-minute stops, if you can close below. Here's my plan and my attempt. Okay. Let's take a look at Tian's always sending me charts. I love that. Keep on sending the charts in, guys. If you're on Discord, make sure you do the charts for the stream. So GJ on the 15-minute time frame. Resistance, wait for 30-minute closures above. First attempt break, 50-minute got stopped at break even. Okay. So before 4 day, wait for hourly closures. Yeah, looks good. I think so. First attempt, 15-minute got hit a break even. Yeah, it's this zone over here. I want to get a closure below this zone, and hopefully we can get this very soon. Right, close below. 15 seconds. Close below that, please. Get a closure like 480 or something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Charts for stream max. Okay. Oh, now give me a top wick. Yes, pull that bitch up. Okay, nice. Okay. So if we do exceed these lows over here at about 480, I think I'm going to be giving this an attempt at this point. Yeah, I'm going to go for it. I'm not going to lie. I quite like this. I like how the hourly's exceeding the low again. The 4 hours going to be pushing. Finally, so put it like kind of like here, this zone. We've got another subscriber at this point. Amazing. Tala Riaz. That's a cool name. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you like the stream, guys. I love you, stop loss. I miss you. Get a win. She has 30-minute closure. I like this. So at this point, I kind of want to sell stuff below here. Thing is, these wicks. I mean, we did get the closure, but it was right on it as well. 5.9. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. 1 sec. Oh, nice. We're still having this wick pull up here. We haven't made a bottom wick, so the potential that we make the bottom wick is pretty nice. So let's just see over here. Yeah, so I actually might do it on the wick of the candle over here. 490. Let's just move that. Yeah, I'm actually gonna go for this sell stop at this point. See how far this pulls up. So I've got a sell stop here. It's rejecting the highs again. We've now got two 30-minute strong bearish candle closures. So waiting for that pull down. As long as you don't exceed the high, I think we're valid, and then we should just start pushing down. So let's have a look at so Discord charts the stream over here. Oh, the boys are here. Nice. Okay. 4 hours not bearish for taking GJ sells here. So what would be a specific reason for you to call this trade? Is this a question for me? It wasn't on this candle, I don't think. It was on this closure. Then the candle made a wick, and then we started exceeding and flipping the 4 hour right here. So we were entering at 151.560, so just before the 4 hour flipped, right here. And then we took profits here, or we got a break even, but you know, 9 pips. Yeah, I didn't enter on this candle. I entered on the closure of that candle, made the top wick, and then start exceeding to flip the 4 hour. That was the kind of structure for it. But I didn't enter just on that 15-minute coming down. It was further down. Let's have a look over here. Waiting for bearish close to respect resistance. Okay, this is gold. We'll take a sell since my bias is bearish following the previous daily candle. TP will be the support with the potential runners with the current 1 daily candle flip right here. Lovely. Nice. So you can see in this chart, he's waiting for a certain setup to come, and then he just waits patiently. You know, you just watch paint dry basically. You just wait until it happens, and then you can enter. Yeah, so we need to see if we can reject these highs at 1792, and if we do start rejecting them and start coming down, then yeah, we're going to be filling up this range and maybe continue to the daily lows of yesterday. Amazing. 47 likes in the stream, guys. Make sure to bash that like button. Yeah, I'm gonna give a close eye to this over here. 30 minute hasn't made a bottom wick, but we'll see. This is why waiting for top wicks is so nice, so easy. You don't have to worry about it. Let's get this dressing gown on. I'm freezing for some reason. Yesterday was so hot here. Oh my god, I'm a sweaty guy as well. I fucking hated it. Yeah, let's hit 50 likes, guys. 2 more likes. Let's go. Oh, let's see over here. So we've got 151.533. Still doesn't exceed the high of the previous 15, so we're looking good. I think we do start exceeding 490. I can actually have my stop above the current 15 or the previous, because that's 10 pips, and this will be 6. So if we do start flipping at this point, I'll take 50% off if we exceed the high of the current, which is 6 pips, and then the rest will be there. So saving a lot of money at that point. The reason why I like it is because now we've got a candle closure. These are all wicks. We've got actually like full solid candles, so it should be good over here. Oh, this guy's back. Fuck off. How would you... I need to get some mods in this bitch. Okay, so if we do flip here in 8 minutes time, it's going to be perfect for us. So we'll have to see. You in cells? No, I've got a cell stop here, which is going to get activated very, very soon. Let me just launch this up over here. Nice, okay. That guy in every stream I watch, oh my god. Damn! Is he in like everyone's stream? Fuck. Ooh, we've activated over here. They've taking a sell. Stop loss above the current, the previous, and we're taking 50% off when we exceed the high of the previous. Let's see over here. I think with volume now, we've rejected these highs again. We should continue down. Are you not worried about 450? No, I'm not worried. I think with the volume we should be good. Over here. Do you not stream on NY session? No, I normally go in Discord, but now I'll be doing it with my mentorship group. And I'll be the NY session just for mentorship. So yeah. Dude, so yeah, here I'll be taking off 50%, and then here I'll be taking off the full. So just let it run. We reject these highs again. I'm quite confident with this. If not, it's fine. And yeah, we'll see where it goes over here. Right, let's take a look at some of the charts while we are watching this. Yeah, so gold's still waiting over here for the setup that we wanted. We do not have a candle closure, because it's London volume. It's the volume. We closed basically on it. We made the top wick up. We're rejecting this zone again for like the 15th time. I was very happy to take the trade, and the reason why I'm happy is because we've made the top wick, and I can take off 6% or at 6 pips. So I'm very happy to take this trade to exceed these zones. We've closed below these wicks now, and we're going to be exceeding these wicks at this point, which is good. And I think with volume we can start pushing in this next 5 minutes. This is just from experience. I've seen this happen quite a lot, and happy to take it. How much to get on your mentorship? $49.99, and you can pay in so many ways now. Pay through PayPal, credit or debit, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, so whatever, bro. So coming down over here, just filling these wicks at this point. That's fine. I mean, you could put your stop loss break even here, but I just think with volume we're going to leave this zone now. The 4 hours pushing heavily. We should come back down to these zones here. Once it exceeds the low of the previous 30, it's a goner. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see over here. See if you can still get this volume. Is it a monthly fee? Yes, sir. But when you get in the Telegram, you can all the videos there you can save and shit like straight away. So it's not like you can only have the videos that I put in. Like you just scroll up and save them all. So see if you can get a trade over here, guys. Hopped in the GJ sell. Nice. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good now. It's coming up to where I wanted to get into sells. That's good. We're exceeding these lows. We should start pushing hardly over here. Let's go! Let's go, squad! Let's go! Whole lot of gang shit. Whole lot of gang shit. Yeah, $49.99, bro. So yeah, should we keep on pushing over here? We're dropping down. Look at the 4 hour now. Whole lot of gang shit. Whole lot of gang shit. So what am I gonna do here to manage risk at this point? We'll see. We'll see. Is this candle closed yet? 3 minutes time. Yeah, I'm alright to keep this on. What's your TP on GJ, bro? 10 pips. But mainly 320 at this point. I think we can still dive down at this point. 3 minutes time. As long as you get a closure, like solid like this, kind of happy to keep it on. And I'll put my stop loss to the current. Well, the 15 is just going to close, so we're going to move it to that 15, I think. And that'll be pretty good. You can see, you know, this is with experience. This is a harder trade. If you guys don't get this trade, that's fine. But yeah, I think with volume now, we can still start pushing at this point. So now I've moved my stop loss to here. So this is 6 pips stop, boys. do, 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 do. Keep on going, man's on crack. You guys coming? What your TP, bro? You guys coming? What do you mean, boy? So now we're gonna get this closure in 2 minutes time. Come on, keep on going, GJ. Keep on going, boy. Keep on pushing, bitch. Let's get this bread, boys. Let's get this bread. You know what I'm saying? Got your stops to break even now? Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. I'm up about 4 pips. Kind of want this to run right now. Get God, bitch! Look at this gang shit. 5 pips, boy. Where the fuck's my phone, bro? Oh, we're gonna smash TP, boys. Nil. Keep on go. Keep her going. Keep her going. Whole lot of gang shit. Right, stop loss to break even at this point, guys. Don't want to be coming up anymore. I think, yeah, stop loss to break even. 6 pips. So obviously this 50-minute candle is going to close over here. Need to kind of, you know, be careful because the 50 minutes is going to make a top wick at this point, so we need to kind of worry about that. Should I keep my stop loss to break even? Yeah. Just close half at 10 pips and stop loss at break even. Nice. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Well, yeah, bro, don't jinx it. I got 3 trades at 9 pips. We'll just take some profits then. If you know market conditions are a bit ass, just keep her going, boy. Bro, don't jinx it. I swear to God if I get a break even. For me, I mean, to be honest, I kind of don't really care about. I'm gonna leave my stop loss here. I'm gonna give it a bit more room. I kind of want it to make this top wick and then to continue. So we'll see over here if I get out of break even. Oh, there's 1 minute candle. Right, so we've got 20 seconds left for this candle closure at this point. Let's look at 30. Yeah, we should be continuing at this point. Come on. Come on, GJ. GJ. Ooh, I'm putting my stars to break even for that. I don't like that pull up. I still think it's valid, but that 5 minute over here, pulling like that, I think I don't want to be in this. So yeah, break even trade at this point. Let's see how far we go. So let's just move this over here. I want you to launch down. Ah, 50 minutes got a top wick on my MetaTrader. No. Ah, so close. But you know, when you see, like, you know, sometimes we get these break even trades and stuff, you know, maybe it's just the price action at the moment, just a bit of a pain in the ass. It should theoretically reach down here, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel and you like the stream, make sure to like the stream, guys. Thank you, Technical and Fundamentals, for subscribing. Technicals and Fundamentals are very, very, very important. But yeah, we should continue down here, guys. We're praying anyway. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's get it at 70 likes, guys. Bash that like button, boy. Thing is, though, this 50 minute needs to make a top wick, really. And unfortunately, it may stip us out. Here we go. And we're out. It's gonna continue later though, but anyway. No, I'm not out yet. Oh, that was close. Oh, it is now, motherfucker. Well, holy shit. Wonderful. I love that. 4 break-even trades. Well, we tried. Now it's gonna rinse. Watch this. But I'm not taking this. Look at that. So if you do keep our stop loss stop loss over here, so maybe you just put in your stop loss to break even too quick. 10 pips and rejection again. Yeah. So sorry I doubted you. I got in on the break of the lows for more continuation, but bailed after that pull up. This will continue now, guys. And that's a load of bullshit again. 4 break-even trades and 9 pips. Oh my god. I have literally had so many break-even trades from 9 pips this week. It's fucking ridiculous. But we move. I mean, solid there. That's an absolute banger of a trade. But yeah, we got to about like 8 pips profit at that point. Then we wick back up. But, you know, the 50-minute, I knew it was going to happen because the 50-minute had to make a top wick. And yeah, unfortunately, it tapped us out. But really, really solid moves there, guys. So break even gang. We're all here. We're all here, gang. We're all here, squad. Let's see if this keeps continuing. But I'm not gonna be annoyed about that. Whatever. Banks are on the stream. The banks are wanting us, man. Look at these 5-minute candles, bro. You broke nicely, and now you're just being a pussy. See, this 30-minute candle hasn't closed, so, you know, that's the issue with it. Sorry I doubted you. You never doubt me, bro. You never doubt me. I'm trying to think of ways to enter a bit higher, but you couldn't have. So this is genuinely just luck. You just sometimes these things happen, okay? But you know, don't get worked up on these break-even trades, because some days it's gonna start slapping. The one thing you need to think about is stop having those red trades. And as you can see, my entries. So what I want you guys to kind of learn is, you know, that entry that I had there was in 0 drawdown, pretty much instantly, yeah. It went into profits instantly, and that is the perfect trade. Gold sells, nope, not yet. So the perfect setup is a zero drawdown trade, because you don't want any drawdown in your account. So the way to do that is getting in on entries like that, waiting for the top wicks up here, start exceeding and start pushing down nicely. That's the way to do it. Especially with these candles over here, when we made the top wick and started flipping, it was nice. But that is just typical. Typical. But you can't do much about it. It's all about your discipline, though. As I said in that psychology webinar, the one thing that you guys will do, which will completely hinder your trading ability, will be your emotions and psychology. If you don't get that done, you're fucked, and you'll be here scrapping, annoyed. You can't do that. These things happen. When I looked, Ted showed me his gold kind of like trades and stuff, and like a good 60% of them were break evens. But then the one that just runs and like doesn't hit his break even, he just made 100 pips. So it's kind of like that. Do you think that the reason we're facing rejections is because there were no clean candles to the left? Yeah, it's a lot harder. I like the volume and like the push and to exceed these wicks, but the reason why it's stopping it is what I said before. The 4 hour really struggling. But I do still think we're gonna still continuing down over here. But it's just this zone is just a bit of a pain. You can just feel it. Like when you're in trade, it's not running nice. Well, I mean, it did run nicely until fucking a candle opens. That's the thing. Like sometimes with these trades, waiting for the top wick does just tap you out and then runs. And that is the most annoying thing. That's why maybe you can get your stop loss at the current candle. Like so, some people now may be still in this trade here. So see if that works. But it's having your comfort level. We haven't exceeded the high, so the sells are still valid at this point. It's just how do you really want to keep the drawdown? But that kind of movement, the whole waiting for the flip, getting the entry, getting the pips, very quick. You can see it took fucking what 2 minutes, 3 minutes to get to 9 pips, 8 pips, and that's what I want. So perfect analysis there, guys. Let's get that off before people think I'm in a trade. It's like we're still in a bullish trend and 420 strong. A bullish trend doesn't really look bullish to me. You mean long term, like here, yeah. But we're just making support. It's just so you can just see this. The reason why we're struggling at this zone right here is because if you look to the left, we came up, made resistance at this point. Can you see? Now it's coming back to this zone. What do we always do on resistance? We always make support. So you can see at this line, we're making support to then come back and drive up. So it's just a very key area at this point, and you just understand that, and that's why the sells are quite hard here. No trade with me, we have a bunch of traffic left. If it goes, it's just look. Amazing analysis there. Exactly, all about your comfort levels. All about your comfort levels. Look at that pull up, guys. See, so just saved yourself 40 pips for having that break even trade, yeah? That's what you should be thinking about. Break-even trades are a beauty in disguise. The amount of break-even trades that have saved me money, very good. Yeah, we need more charts for the stream, guys. Everyone, make sure you put some charts in the stream. Really helps me out. Let's have a look at how many subscribers then, and we're nearly approaching the 1,000 mark. I think it'll take me another maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, it's 820 subscribers. Still got to wait. I think 2 or 3 weeks we should be there. And then for 4,000 hours and stuff, that's gonna be pretty sick. GA was way better. Let's have a look over here. Oh wow, I hit TP. I said there, nice. So we talked about these cells over here. Closed below, made the top wick, and then amazing. So that was a TP here, 12 pips for me. Now it's continued down, 18. Amazing. So another paper trade for GA, 2 winners in a row. I am liking GA at this point, so let's just do this. What GA sells. So yeah, GA, I'm getting some good vibes about GA. Can you see? Look at GJ now. Reacting off it pretty hard. Look at that 15-minute candle over here. Damn. So that break-even trade, you should be praise the Lord for that break-even trade. So if you get a closure above 1660, it looks like we're really respecting this support, this zone over here. Look at these wicks, bro. Oh. So for me, it's going to be looking good for buys later on, I feel. I think we're going to start making support on this 4 hour at this point. Hopefully above 1660. And then we can start riding that bitch back up. So look over here. So guys, we took a break-even trade today. It actually ran to 8 pips. We got into a sell when we started exceeding these lows. We had the top wick over here, exceeded the lows, and we got to 8 pips, and then we reversed, unfortunately. But we all caught that, a nice break-even trade. And we also broke down GA at this point. So you look at GA, we closed below, and now we started making the top wick and then exceeding, and then wow, we've got 18 pips. Another paper trader on GA getting this confirmation and confluence up on this new pair. Let's go, let's go. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you've learned anything today, make sure to like it. Really helps me out, and I'm going to be doing these for as long as I can. I do love the streams; they're pretty fun. But yeah, make sure you bash that like button. If you guys have got like group chats and shit about trading, make sure you share the stream in. So like the button will be somewhere, just share it about. Yeah, so I was gonna say that. So Ming has a really good point here. Is your name Ming Tai? I think it's called. The thing is for GA is you have to accept drawdowns. So to see the previous 15-minute candles, you get 8 to 9 pips, and it pulls all the way back to your break even, and then keeps dropping another 12 pips. Yeah, so I think the stop losses you have to like putting your stop loss to break even in GA here is just a no-no. You're just gonna get slapped. But yeah, you can see these big wicks at this point. It means this, and this. So you have to take some drawdown. So for me, I mean, what would have happened was if I entered that trade just like I do with GJ, I'd wait for this top wick, which is 9 pips. Then I would have entered. It would have pulled down a little bit, and then it would have been. Oh, sorry, 1 second here. Yeah, so it would have ran 8 pips, 9 pips into drawdown, and then started pumping. Elvinas has got a chart for me to look at. Let's have a look over here. Let's take a look over here. JPY, wow, you got into a buy at 151498. That could be an amazing entry for later on. Amazing. And is your stop loss at break even now? Very, very spontaneous. Damn. I'd have your stop loss to break even probably. Yeah. So later on, we're still getting gold to just see where it's going. I mean, if you do get closes above 1792, all time frames are bullish, but it's just the daily such a strong candle. You have to be very, very careful with stuff like that. So 9 AM is coming. Normally the last bit of volume. So does everyone here just trade London, or do you trade NY as well? And do you have like a little break in the middle? I hope you have a little break because it's needed. I hope you have a little break. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Get that like button up, boys and girls. Spamming them buttons. London and NY. Nice. Same here. Ooh, look at gold over here. Damn, son. 2 minutes time. Get a closure. I mean, it'll be over this 30 minutes, to be honest, over here. But yeah, it's these wicks for resistance in the 4 hour. Mad thing. So we got 9 pips on GJ. Someone got 9 pips as well. So wait, do you get 2 break-even trades there? 9 pips. That's mad. If I get a job, I'll have to leave London session. But now London and NY both. But trying to find Asian as well for future. Asian. I wouldn't waste your time on Asian. Thank you, Bart, for subscribing. But to be honest, NY is better. Yeah, NY is good for gold. I find it quite hard to trade gold in London, so I'm looking to see if I can trade GJ in London and gold in NY. Yeah, that's what I do. I don't really trade gold in London unless there's a big setup. But apart from that, I normally trade gold between those like 1 o'clock to half 1. But that's normally the sweet spot. And if you time it right with gold, you can get like 20-30 pips in literally fucking 1 minute. Whereas GJ takes a lot longer. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. Especially recently, it's just because it's trying to break out of zones and stuff. They're finding it a lot harder. But yeah, this 4 hours got an hour's time to close. We'll see where it closes. If it closes back above 151,660 over here, it's going to be good for some buys later on, which I'll be looking for in NY. And I'll be in the Discord for NY. I won't be like speaking, but I'll be talking about what I'm looking for, all that good stuff. And yeah. Yeah, look at this. GBP AUD still continuing down on the bearish trend over here. Still news. Let's have a look at what news came out. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good news over here. 17 billion trade balance. Damn. Yeah, I think people trying to do all sessions is going to be just way too hard. Like, not hard, but like hard on you mentally. Like, you're going to be dying. It's not fun. It's not fun. You need to have time away on the charts. Like, for me, do you know, even when I say like, oh, I'm trading like NY and stuff, normally I'll go on here, I'll look at it in the first fucking 10 seconds. I'll go, right, I'm looking for sells down here. I go in alert, I put in the alert on there, and then I'll just play my game all day. I literally go on here. Move this shit. Go on here, type on Counter-Strike, and fucking bash the game. Because there's no point. Just looking at it all day just hurts your eyes and shit. Same with gold. Gold, I'll be like, right, I'm looking for, I don't know, buy, sells. I'll have an alert on here. Ted does that all the time. Ted sometimes just has buy stops above candles and just waits for them to activate, which is pretty mad. Very, very true. That's a very, very good thing. We trade forex to get out of your 9 to 5. It does not make sense if you're trading full time to trade more hours. Exactly. Exactly. Very, very true. Very, very true, guys. So yeah, we're just waiting over here. German 30 still playing. Yeah, gold hasn't had to close above though, so you can't get into any trades really. And I mean, what you could do, I mean, if we do get, in the next 50 minutes, we get a nice solid bearish closure, we could actually take sells down to the lows again. We trade forex to make more freedom. Yes, sir. I started watching that BBC thing about traders. What was it, a forex thing? And like, I watched like the start of it, but I was just like, yeah, I got a bit bored of it. The guy didn't really know what he's talking about. £200 a month. Fucking hell, that's mad. Yeah, with Sam from Sam was on it. He's a pretty good guy. I don't know, I just think I've actually got a video coming out. Where is it? Oh, this fucking twat's back in. Piss off. So yeah, if you look on my YouTube over here, so yeah, if you look at this point over here, you can go to here. Let's look at my oh no, fuck off. 821 subscribers. That's amazing. Mate, how do you ban people? Like, it's fucking pissing me off. How do I ban this motherfucker? I don't know how I do it. Like, where's my powers, bro? Right. So, time them out. Oh, yeah, but it just says put user in a time, but it doesn't give me like how many I can do it for. It just says 300 seconds. So yeah, if you look over here, guys, content, we got this. How to avoid Forex scammers. So it's going to be a video, I'm going to post it tomorrow. And it's basically just giving you an insight of like what to look out for, you know, because when I was younger, I got like I got scammed. I got put into a place, you know, it's not fun. So yeah, I kind of got a video just breaking these things down, what you should be looking for, what looks dodgy and what doesn't, just to help you guys out. They just make a new account with a slightly different name and they comment again. Yeah, it's fucking annoying. I actually get some mods in here and admin and stuff. I'll do that. You can hide them. That is better than timeout. Yeah, I just pressed both of them there, but he always comes back. It's like, oh my god, go away. Is he on everyone's stream? Does he go on like Raj's and shit? Wow, 58 likes, guys. I can't appreciate the love that much. That's amazing. The likes, I think, really help it get it on the recommended. So make sure to whack in the likes for sure. Click on the 3 dots and click block. I don't have block. It's pin message, report, remove, put user in timer, hide user on this, or add moderator. Maybe over here. Oh, participants. Wait. Oh, here. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, it's just annoying. Like, get the fuck out of my stream, man. Kick more. Oh wait, I need to update my trades taken. No, so there was trades, my boy. There was trades. Let's have a look over here. So we got GJ. Sell. It was a break even, but it actually ran to plus 9 pips, but we couldn't get the 10. But it was a very easy trade. I'd take that every single day. Just needed to push a bit more. Salam, how you see GJ, my boy? So I basically broke it down, but basically if you look at the 4 hour, we're rejecting these lows over here. This is a really big buy zone. And if you look at the hourly time frame, we're rejecting these highs. I generally think we're going to start to make some support. So basically what I'm looking at here is this. Look at the daily time frame. So you can see before, you know, we're making bullish structure. Now we've came down. We're reacting on support here, which was resistance before, and now we're going to run back up. That's exactly what I think is going to happen. So yeah, buys later on are going to be, I think, quite interesting for sure. Yeah, I think later on buys are going to be pretty nice, to be honest. What do you think of gold? I'll have a look at gold. They just make new accounts. Yeah, it's just annoying. Let's have a look at gold at this point. I mean, the thing is now is like 9 o'clock, like 10 past 9, half past 9. The volume starts to die down, so I don't think we have enough volume to push this. But later on, we're going to get some gold buys maybe. Bro, just put a look on GU also, please. Okay, I'll have a look at GU. I'll look at GU, keep you happy. Yeah, kind of, guys, give me some kind of YouTube videos to do, because I want to do some new ones. I don't know what to put on. I'll put also how to draw zones, but zones are just easy. It's just zone's a zone. I kind of want to do like fun ones, like just a bit more entertaining. Ooh. we have a resistance at this level over here, 137987. The reason why I picked this zone is because this resistance is here, here, and here. Okay, this is the resistance right at this point. So we're looking for closes above this zone right here, to then continue up the bullish structure, and we can just start to fill and retest these highs. So let's have a look at this range over here. Clean candles. Wow, look at this, 38 pips up. This is a nice range. Let's look at the 4 hour. Bullish. Daily has exceeded the high of the previous daily, so it's looking good for buys at this point. I'll wait until end my session to get closures above this zone, and it's got 38 pip range. I mean, there's a little minor resistance, like or minor support here, but we should break above that and then continue. So yeah, pretty easy on GU over here. Really reacting off them supports right here. Shit, that'll be pretty decent for NY session. Wow, we hit 60 likes, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Let me share the stream. I'm gonna share the stream in places, see if I can get it. Let's have a look over here. Put it in here. This is cool. This is like you can like put yourself on. Friends, what is it? Is it not that one? There we go. Nice. See, Sean Codes, I just punched that like. Nice, my boy. 61 likes. I think my biggest one has been 78. That's pretty cool. 79. GJ bullish. Yeah, I think GJ could be bullish for later on. Yeah, it hasn't been bullish this morning, but these bearish candles over here were pretty fire. Yeah, so you got a break-even trade here that I took. So if you guys wait for the top wick and then exceed, this is nice. And then this one came out of nowhere, and then we actually started exceeding there again. So, ooh, look at GJ over here. So 151660. For me, you're gonna have to wait until NY because the volume does drop off. To be honest, what I'll probably see is we'll probably be ranging in the zone or this zone over here. But potential buys 151900 are gonna be delicious, I think, to then come and retest these highs again and start exceeding. That will be the perfect way to do it. Let's have a look. AC over here. Charts for the stream. Is this a GJ buy? It looks like it. Looks like GJ buy, maybe. They're GJ. 226 members now. If you guys are not in the Discord, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, bro? Make sure to get in the Discord at that point. Come on. What are you playing with, bro? I'm going to get some guests on soon as well. I'm going to be messaging some guests. I think I'm going to get... let's have a look over here on Instagram. I'm going to get maybe Alex. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, I'm going to ask if Alex wants to come on. He's a good guy. He put some good tips on here, actually. Pretty nice. So yeah, I'll get Alex on. And I'll get some other cool guests on. It'll be pretty nice. That would be pretty sick. If you guys want any guests on, tell me who you'd want on, and we'll get that on. When you take trades, do you show the screen you have taken? I keep on TradingView because TradingView just looks a lot cleaner. Look at this; it's so much nicer than a fucking shitty white MetaTrader. But on my Instagram, if you follow my Instagram, I show my Instagram there. I show it through my Instagram there. But yeah, this is just a lot cleaner. I just like it here. So yeah, closures above here. I generally think the volume now will die down. If you wait until NY session, we're gonna get some nice buys, I think, especially if you do exceed the high of the previous 4 hours at some point in the next 46 minutes. Ooh, look at GBP USD. Just TW. What the fuck does that mean? Oh, look at it, GU. Look at all this volume coming in. Damn. There's no news though, is there? So I wonder what it is. Look at gold starting to run over here. So look at this really, really strong closure right here. Now we're starting to push. It's going to come back up to these zones over here. It's going to maybe tap. It could actually get back to 1800. Damn. Gold broke out. It sure did. It's looking good, but no closure at this point. So you have to wait a bit longer. Is that the 30-minute resistance? Yeah. So this is the 30-minute. This is the 15-minute resistance right here. But it looks good. I mean, if you do get a closure here and meet the lower wick and then start flying up, could be a good opportunity. There we go. Okay. So if this candle closes in 10 seconds time over here, let's just look at this. I mean, if we do get a nice lower wick and then exceed, this could be pretty nice. So how big would this be? Just getting in here, 18 pips. That's not bad at all. So a nice candle closing above the zone over here. If we get a lower wick, like maybe about here, not 1793, and then flip and exceed, I could enter. That'd be pretty tasty. So let's just see over here if we can get it. If it just runs off straight away for me, that's not the trade. I need the lower wick. I need a nice lower wick to basically confirm we're leaving this zone. And if we do start continuing up, we've got a wick fill here, and then we've got continued. Oh, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. For me though, I need a bigger, smaller wick over here, bigger bottom wick. But it's gonna come off over here. So people getting in and happy to have a stop loss here and getting it straight away. 19 pip stop. And then continue over here, fill this wick up, which is 10, and then continue this range. For me, I'm gonna wait for a bit, a bigger bottom wick. GJ closed above 1690. Has it? No, it needs to close above here. It hasn't though. GJ, make a lower wick, my boy. Come on. Or maybe 30 minutes time. I could wait. We'll have a see. We'll have a see. No rush over here. People getting in the early though in this kind of zone over here. Damn. Do. 60 pips from 8 o'clock. Wow, it's a lot of volume over here for gold, especially in London. Damn. Yeah, I'm waiting for this closure either here or waiting for this 50 minutes to make a bottom wick first. Here we go. Make this bottom wick, bitch. So the thing is now, do I wait 12 minutes for the 30-minute candle to close, or should I take the 15? That is the question. Here we go. So this is why, you know, I normally wait for bottom wicks because of this. Not normally, I always wait for bottom wicks. Kind of want to come to here, like 1793. Because then if it exceeds the high over here at 1793, that's a 10 pip stop. That's what I like. Need to also take in the fact that the 30 minute hasn't closed above yet, but it's all good, it's all good. 64 likes, amazing guys. Make sure to bash that like if you like these gold buys. Do, 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 do. Someone wants to use my magic keys link. I'll just do that in a sec. Oh shit, we're flipped. Oh, this is gonna continue now. Oh, I missed it. Fuck, I was on my phone. So we're gonna continue here. Filling up this wicked 1794 would be a nice target, to be honest. So I'm happy it's made its bottom wick over here. We should be continuing now. At this point. So you could either have a stop loss all the way down here, or you can actually have the stop here, and you know, depends on your feeling towards this trade. If you want now it to run off, you're gonna have to, you know, really wait. Maybe, to be honest, it's probably better to wait for the 30. But then, as we said, we know the 30-minute over here at 9:30, the volume dies down. So does it have enough volume to come? For me, I'm gonna personally wait for NY. I think. Wow, look at that drop down, bro. So look, it's kind of like hitting that resistance over here. Look at that. So let's see where this 30-minute closes. 1 second, just send someone it. Damn, wow, 42 views, amazing, guys. Yeah, so tomorrow I won't be streaming, but I'll be back on Monday. Monday, it's Friday then. Right, 9 minutes left for this candle, all good. Wait. Around 60% already, we had the chances we will die at a volume at 9:30. Exactly. That's why I was kind of like, are we gonna run up another like fucking 30 pips here? So what we're gonna wait for now for gold is, yeah, wait for support to maybe form and then to run back off again. But getting in now when the volumes die down, it's very, very hard. I'm like, GJ, if you close with 30-minute, then they break the high. Yeah, I think for me the same thing, the same scenario. 9:30, I just don't trade 9:30. Every time I've done it, it's just a shit boring trade. It takes 15 hours to work, and I'm in drawdown for half time. I just don't like it. I'd rather wait until volume comes in. That's just my personal preference, but that's just from doing it for a long time. I just see it just being a bit of a pain in the ass. Right. So I'm going to head off here, guys. Now I hope you enjoyed the stream. Before you leave, guys, make sure you smash that like button. We did some amazing trades today. We got 16 pips. Risking about, you know, about I don't know, 19. But unfortunately they couldn't run to the 10 pips. They had break evens, but that's all good. Broke them down to a T, and now we know where GJ is heading to later on. We literally broke that completely. We're reacting off the support again. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So make sure to see you on Monday. And yeah, I'll send that YouTube video in for tomorrow. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy it, and peace out. Adios, squad. See you later. See you later, alligator.